This is Excel Champ. In this video we're going to be reviewing the hashtag value exclamation point error, common causes of that, and how to correct them. If you'd like to follow along with this data set, you could download it in the link in the description down below. Solve for, and hence it will give you this error. So in our first example, we're going to look at what we're trying to do here is find our total sale amount, which is our units multiplied by our sales price. If we look at our formula here, we accidentally typed it wrong so that it's pointing towards our item column instead of our units column. So we just change cell A2 to B2. It will multiply the actual numbers which we're trying to get to our sale amount with. We hit enter, it's going to correct that error. In our second example here, we could see we're multiplying our 80 units times none as our sales price. Instead of this, we're going to have to just correct none to an actual number, which in this case it'll be 0, and it'll give us our sale amount, which is also 0, and erase that error. In our third example, we can see we're multiplying our units times our sales price correctly, referencing these sales correctly, but if we look at our unit cell here in B4, we can see that there's something wrong with this 27 here. If we look a little closer, we can see that there's a space in between the 2 and the 7. So if we take that space out, it will change this from text to a numerical value, and it'll correct that error. In our next example, we can see once again we're multiplying the correct cells, but in our unit cells, it says the word units in it. So what we're going to want to do is make sure we take out that units so that it's just a numerical value in that cell, and it'll correct that error. And finally, in our last example, we can see that instead of typing a multiplication asterisk here, we accidentally typed in a comma instead. So Excel does not know what to do with that. So if we just take that out, put in the multiplication symbol, we'll correct that error. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.